Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for a low impact but super effective workout, you have to check out the FitBounce Pro XL Rebounder from Maximus Life. This is the Pro XL and it is insanely amazing. So what makes this rebounder stand out as different is the quality. It's crazy high quality and it's made with bungee cords. It's so comfortable and it really feels gentle on your joints. It's also so much quieter than any other trampoline or rebounder you've tried before. It doesn't move around, it stays in place and feels super secure. It's an awesome size, so you can do all sorts of exercises on here. If you're a beginner, even just walking, it takes off the pressure and gives you a little bit of bounce back. It is a lot of fun. It's one of my favorite workouts that I've been doing lately. Another great thing about this is that it is compact, it folds up. The legs, you don't even have to unscrew them, they retract, which is super cool. And it comes in a carrying case so that you can tuck it away or bring it with you on the go. Excellent for small spaces because you can jump on it in a little amount of space and then just tuck it away when you're done. I like to use this in my bedroom. When we're watching TV at night, I will be hopping on this. In the daytime, we often leave it in our kitchen. And so all of our guests have given it a go. We've had such great feedback. Everybody talks about how awesome it is to jump on, and it's nothing like they've tried before. It has a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds. So if you are recovering from an injury or you just want a really fun, engaging workout, if you're older or you have sore joints, I think this is such a good option to get moving without suffering the consequences. So if you're looking to try a really high quality rebounder, definitely go with this one, and that's my point of view.